I use my visual diary for all kinds of things, not just for sketches and planning and so on. Use it for motivation as well, because if you want to go professional in art, you have to remember it's going to be a business. You want to make money out of it, and you would like to attract clients through it. So you've got to do some planning in order to get your stuff together. What is your mission? What do you want to achieve with your art? This is a bit too far away for you, but I'm just projecting of where you could go with this. Why are you doing art? Motivate yourself. What are you going to do? Plan out your goals for what you're going to do. And then obviously you do some sketches, planning for certain paintings, things you want to do on a bigger canvas when you start painting. What are your fears? Different methods that you could use. This is about the zone palette. These are just some more planning and thoughts and mind maps and spider diagrams that I'm using. Events that I would like to, where am I going to promote my work? You can see I've been planning a particular painting. It was going to be a collage of different paintings together. And then these here are little sketches I did while I was exhibiting, and some people walking around, and some little rough sketches that I did. And I practice, you practice your different techniques and methods and so on, different media that you could possibly use. What happens if you put bleach over this, and so on, experimenting. And then doing some pastel work, which I don't normally do, and then some sketching exercises I found from another source, also from that same source, mind maps. An idea that I had of a series, a body of work that I wanted to do, which I didn't really get to. I started, but I thought eventually I abandoned it. I wasn't enjoying it, so I stopped doing it. This was part of it. Yeah, so there's another little sketch of my grandbaby, but just working with a soft pastel and see where that takes me. Anyway, this is just another little view into what artists do. Everybody does it differently. How you do it is going to be up to you eventually.